In order to improve your presentation and speech, you have to begin somewhere. How and when should you do it? Well, the best time to begin is now, and you can do it anywhere you find it convenient to do so. It may not be a pleasant exercise to begin with, but you will start enjoying it as you progress and notice your improvement. You are bound to improve as you practice. You may not realize it, but others noticing you will. If not anything, you will feel your confidence grow with time. However, for best results, you have to do it in a methodical and scientific manner. The starting point to assess your presentation skills is to find out where you stand now. The only way you can find out is to actually make a presentation, real or mock, in front of an audience, be it small or large. If you have the opportunity to make a real presentation, you can assess your presentation skills by asking the audience for feedback. In case you do not have the opportunity to present for real yet, but still want to assess your skills, you can do a mock presentation in front of your friends or family by requesting them to watch you perform and then give feedback. Besides the feedback you receive, you can also assess your skills based on how you feel after the presentation. If you feel satisfied, it means you have performed well. If you feel dissatisfied, you know for sure that you need to improve. In such a case, go over your performance in your mind and make note of where you could have done better. This is your starting point. Now, if your presentation, real or mock, was a complete disaster, so much so that you are embarrassed even to think about it, you know for sure that you have many issues to work on. Begin your preparation. Do not procrastinate, and do not ever think that you cannot make it. Start now. The best way to begin preparing is to write your script and then practice reciting it as you would during the actual presentation. Remember, the key word here is reciting and not reading. If you read through a presentation, you will put many people in the audience to sleep. Reading a presentation, rather than presenting it in a lively manner, is a common issue that afflicts many people. The cure to this problem is to practice, and the more you practice, the better you will get at it. As you practice, record your presentation. It is better to start with an audio recording, as in many cases, it might be a painful experience to watch yourself present on video at the very outset. I never dared to watch the video of my first mock interview in my graduate school. I simply let the DVD gather dust. If I still had it with me, I would definitely look at it and have a laugh at myself. Once you listen to your presentation, you will know the areas you need to work on.